Welcome, today I'm with OPPO Reno 6 Pro 5G and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper. So first of all, you should go to the settings and scroll down and go to the personalizations. Here gets the wallpapers. Just tap on that and for example you can choose from your photos or static wallpapers or live wallpapers. I'm going with the static wallpapers. Okay, open that and now you can choose the wallpapers what you want. For example, I'm going with this one, so tap to apply and we'll change the lock screen. So that's done. Now we can check and our lock screen wallpaper has changed successfully. So if you like this video, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.